Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely superb BMW F900R. Here we have a BMW F900R Triple Black. This is a 2024 bike on a 24 plate with just 3,234 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike's in excellent condition and comes packed with accessory items and extra features, which I will try to point out as we go around. So the first thing you can see there is you've got the luggage racks. There's no boxes for it, but at least you've got the racks for it. Grab rails all in good condition there, and those racks also in excellent condition. In fact, I don't think they were on the bike when we got it. I think we put them on as they were supplied to us. The bodywork here on the petrol tank, all good, and it's that lovely classic triple black colour scheme. Bar ends and your lever, which is the accessory lever there as well. The F900R branded lever. All in excellent condition, as is the mirror. All the bodywork in great condition. As you can see there, there's a crash protector. There's also some protection for the water pump housing. The engine itself in great order, no signs of any drop damage or anything like that. All looking really, really nice. The bike's got the centre stand as well. Again, not a standard item. Standard exhaust, all good. And the rear tyre, absolutely plenty of tread left on that one. The rear wheel, again, excellent condition. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Swing arm, all good. The bike does benefit from electronic suspension adjustment as well. It's also got the nav prep, heated grips and cruise control. There's also a fly screen fitted. The headlamp, all in great condition. No stone chips or damage there. Radiator, all good, and the exhaust pipes along with those front forks, all looking really, really nice. Front wheel, also in good condition there. One minor mark, you can see there, but the rest of it all in great order. There's a fork protector there as well. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well, and the front mudguard in excellent condition with no stone chips or damage. The left-hand side of the bike, again, excellent condition here with no sign of any damage to the mirror. The bar end or the accessory lever there, and there are those folding levers as you can see there. All your forks and clamps all good, no corrosion there. And the wheel on this side all good. Again, you've got the fork protection there, or spindle protection there. Bodywork all looking really, really nice and clean and tidy here as well. It's a fantastic naked bike, the F900, a really great alternative to a Triumph Street Triple or Kawasaki Z900 or Yamaha MT-09. More racing parts there, just covering up the quick shifter, so that obviously gives a bit of protection to that. Crash bungs in good condition as well. There's all your dynamic ESA gubbins, and the shock is in there again, looking in really good condition. That centre stand there again, all good. Swinging arm, again, excellent condition. Chaining sprockets, also in excellent condition, along with that rear wheel. Your luggage rails on this left-hand side, again, all looking really, really good. And the top of the bike, likewise, no rips or tears in either of the seats. You've got a tank protection kit there as well. It's also keyless ride on this one, so it's got the full catalogue of accessories thrown at it. There's your sat nav prep. We don't have the nav. A TFT dash as well. There's some rider modes also. So if you're looking for a fantastic naked motorcycle, look no further than this beautiful BMW F900R Triple Black. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BMW, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.